What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's me, Emily, and today I'm going to be telling you guys some ways to make money while you're in college. So here I have a list of 6 different jobs that I want to suggest to you guys if you're looking to make more money in college. I know that a lot of you that subscribe to me are subscribed from Jefferson, or you just like the college information stuff, so this video is totally for you guys, and I just want to give you some ideas because I understand sometimes in college money is tight and it literally doesn't fall from trees. So these are some high-paying jobs with no degree that you can start doing either during your summer break or just during school. If you're looking to make some money and you have some time on your hands, even if you don't have time on your hands, you know what I'm saying. If you're looking to make some money, then keep watching. High paying, no degree, and no experience. Number 1 job is my job, which is called a medical assistant or medical receptionist. I don't really know how to explain this because there are lots of job descriptions within the job description. I'll just explain to you guys what I do because this is my job, like I said. So basically, I answer phone calls at a doctor's office. I take patients back to do their blood pressure, their vitals, their weight, and everything like that. I file patient charts and I take messages for the doctor, who happens to be my father, but that's besides the point. And in this job, because I really don't feel uncomfortable about my salary because this isn't my career, it's literally just where I'm working for the summer, I make $15 an hour, which is much better than like a $7.50, $8.50, $9, $10, or $11 an hour like retail job. So it's a really good way to make money. I work 9 to 5 every day except Wednesday. I work 9 to 7. And if you guys are interested in a day in my life, then I will definitely make that video. I wish I knew about this sooner, which is funny because my dad goes to work every day, but I just wish I knew about this sooner because I would have been doing it for like a while. It's so easy. You just basically have to know how to talk to people, and even if you don't know how to talk to people, you will learn very fast. Also, this job I think is good experience if you're a pre-med major or anything in the medical field, or really any field at all, because I feel like most fields, unless you're going for like biology, you need customer service, like you need that connection with a patient or a client. So this job actually gives you really good experience without having a lot of experience, if that makes sense. The second job is pretty obvious. It's very similar to the first one. It's just a receptionist. And receptionist is the easiest way to make money because you literally are just answering the phone, and that also gives you skills in being professional. Like, there's a difference between answering the phone like, hello, versus, hi, this is Emily, can I know who's speaking, please? You probably will get paid more than $9 an hour, $10 an hour, because it's like a more professional and involved job, but it's also not much more than just talking. So I'm gonna look up receptionist jobs on Indeed, and I'm gonna see what most of their pay rates are. Okay, yes, here we go. Right here, posted 1 day ago, a dental receptionist gets $14 to $18 an hour. I understand like it's different if you're a full-time student, so some of these jobs are really just for the summer, but when you have a steady 9 to 5 job, those hours really rack up and you're not stuck in that cycle because you know like, hey, this is not my career for the rest of my life. Not that there's anything wrong with a 9 to 5 job, but I know a lot of people don't want that. But other job that I worked at, like my hours were not so steady because it was pretty much part-time, so I really like the full-time aspect of these jobs. So this first one is $14 to $18 an hour. Oh look, medical assistant / receptionist, $17 an hour. Chiropractic assistant, like these are all different types of things that you can do that'll pay you more than $10 an hour. And even 10 is like really good for a human being like me. I'm just an 18-year-old gal, so like 10 an hour, you know what I mean? Being in college is a long-term goal, okay? So you make chicken change now, and then later you make big change, all right? Amen. Change the world. All right, moving on. The third side hustle / high paying job on here is a pharmacy technician. And basically a pharmacy technician are the people that you go to in the pharmacy and you give them the script and they give you your medicine, and that's really simple. And this is more geared towards my medical people that are watching, because this is a great job to get experience, but you also don't need much experience to have it. Pharmacy techs, $14 to $19 an hour, $13 to $16 an hour. And you know, it's always in a local CVS, Rite Aid, ShopRite, all these different places that have pharmacies you can work in, and they're all local, which is great. It's not like there's one ShopRite in the whole entire world. It's great because it's all around. So wherever your college is, you could probably do this part-time. A lot of pharmacy tech jobs that I've seen are full-time and part-time, so that's a great one to do while in school. So you can study, and then Friday, Saturday, Sunday, if you want to work, you can work. I know I didn't want to work on campus, so this is also great for people who kind of just want to work, but they don't necessarily want to see the people that they're in classes with all the time, at least for the Jefferson heads that I know are going to be seeing the same people over and over again. That would be me next year. Number 4, be a nanny. And like I said, if you're doing your education online or you have a summer free, be a nanny. And guys, I have done so much research on this, care.com, Sitter City, all that stuff. Nannies make money. You can make anywhere between $10 and $20 to $30 an hour. If you love kids, that's even greater. If you're planning on being in the medical field, that's great. If you get to know some kids and hey, maybe you want to be a pediatrician. These jobs help you become a people person, or at least learn how to be a people person in public. A lot of P's in there. Nannying is a great opportunity for experience, but you also don't need much experience, but you should have experience before you take care of other people's children, because those are other people's children. And there are lots of people who just need care for the summer. They just need people to keep their kids engaged. So that's a really great option. Number 5 is similar to 4, but this is a daycare. Working at a daycare during the summer or even during the school year is a great option. Oftentimes parents will even pay you to pick up and drop off their kids at daycare during the school year. So that's also another great opportunity. And I know that there were so many daycares, because my school's in Philly. There are so many daycares walking distance from my school, and a lot of them had a night shift. So if you really want to grind, then that is a great option. You can work a night shift on a Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, or just a Friday and Saturday. The thing about daycare is you probably would need less experience. You would probably just need some experience babysitting kids in your family or around you, because you have people around you who will be telling you what to do and how to act and stuff like that. So it's a really great option. The 6th and final job on here is online tutoring, and this is one that I actually discovered during the virus because of course it became very popular. My advice for this one is you don't need experience, just teach any subject that you've mastered, and you can actually get this through parents. Adrian's mad at me because I keep declining his call. You can get tutoring jobs from people you know, and you can also get tutoring jobs from online. And let me tell you, this is probably the best one, because you can take your shower, you can finish your homework, take your shower, then just get back on your laptop, and whether it's through video call or through a tutoring service, or you're helping people write essays, all that different stuff. I've seen certain things I write essays, I think it's .com, something like that. Don't write people's college essays, because that's plagiarism. But you can do other things. You can help people write other things that aren't plagiarism. I know some people just wanted a poem for their husband's birthday, and they didn't know how to write it. And if you're gifted in certain areas, then you use that gift to your advantage while you're in college. Why not? Maybe I'll link some sites if I can. I know one of them is iTutor. There's another one called Speakin', where you can teach children abroad how to learn English. So there's so many different options. I hope these side hustles gave you guys some ideas on where you can apply and on what you can do to make some extra money during college, or it leads you to some other jobs that are really cool. And if you have any jobs, just comment down below. Just comment them, help out other people who watch the video, help me out for some ideas in the future probably. I would love to hear them. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, because that helps me out a lot, and I love each and every one of you. Thanks so much. That's all for today's video, and I will see